The machine can pack cheese sticks, candy, peanuts, green beans, hot food, etc. It can also pack different packaging of powder, liquid and granular sauce, etc. It can realize the integrated operation of the product from bag making, filling, packaging, and effectively improve the quality of the packaging machine. Stable operation, perfect bag making, and low energy consumption, packaging machinery. Fully automatic bag making, measuring, filling, bag cutting, and sealing without leakage. The filling method is flexible and different packaging of powder, liquid, and granular sauce can be realized. Packing speed can reach max 45 bags per minute.